Hi, I am Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is varactor diode. So what is varactor diode? Varactor diode is named because of its variable capacitance property of the diode. The capacitance is varied by changing the width of the depletion region by controlling the reverse biased voltage. It always works in reverse biased condition. The other names of varactor diode are varicap, volt cap, variable capacitance or tuning diode. So this is the symbol of varactor diode. The symbol consists of a capacitor at the end of the diode, which represents the variable capacitance of the diode. So this is the construction of varactor diode. So this is the gold plated molybdenum stud, and this is anode terminal, and this is the cathode terminal, and this is the ceramic tube here, and this is the gold plated wire above the p-type region, and this is the meso structure. So more about the construction of varactor diode. It consists of p-type and n-type semiconductor material, which is made up of silicon or gallium arsenide depending upon the application. So silicon is used for low frequency applications and gallium arsenide is used for high frequency applications. These p-type and n-type material is placed on the meso table like structure. In the other type of diodes, both the materials are uniformly doped. But in varactor diode, near the PN junction, the concentration of impurity is less and gradually increases at the other side of the layer. The entire structure is covered by ceramic except some portion of molybdenum stud. So before we see about the working of the varactor diode, should know about the working of capacitor. So it consists of two plates. One is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. These plates are separated by non-conductive material which is called as dielectric medium. So when the voltage is applied, positive charges get accumulated on one side and negative charges at the other side. These accumulation of charge is called capacitance. When the size of the dielectric medium is less and when the charged plates are near, attractive force is more and more charges gets accumulated and thus it increases the capacitance. When the plates are moved away, capacitance decreases. So let's see about the working of varactor diode. This is forward bias. So when the varactor diode is forward bias, the current starts to flow and thus the depletion region decreases. So here no depletion region when it is forward biased. When the voltage is increased further, the depletion region completely disappears and charge cannot be stored. Thus the varactor diode does not operate in forward biased condition. So this is the reverse bias. So when the diode is reverse biased and the reverse bias voltage is increased, the size of the depletion region increases. So this depletion region acts like an insulator and prevents the current from flowing. So the respective charges gets accumulated along the junction forming some capacitance which is called junction capacitance. So varactor diode is designed in such a way to store these charges and thus it acts like a capacitor. So this is the VI characteristics of varactor diode. The varactor diode has a non-linear capacitance curve. So we can see from the figure that the capacitance is inversely proportional to the reverse bias voltage. So when the reverse voltage is increased, the capacitance decreases. Advantages are it is smaller in size and lightweight, produces less noise, power loss is very less, low price and it is portable. The disadvantages, it is designed to operate only in reverse bias condition. The applications are, it is used as frequency modulators in radios and television sets. It is used in automatic frequency controllers. It is used in voltage controlled oscillators. It is used in RF filters to tune. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.